Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2015 Infiniti Q50 Premium that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade, and this Q50 is no exception. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. You can buy it with the confidence knowing it has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs, which you only get at a new Infiniti store like us. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us here at Infiniti of Tacoma. This one has a moonroof on it, power front seats, heated front seats, a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings to the type of driving that you're doing. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Also have a parking camera, automatic dimming mirror with integrated compass and universal garage door opener. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. This one has 55,141 miles at the time of making this video. Also has a Bose premium sound system. If you like music, the Bose sound system is definitely a must-have feature. Really nice color combination and graphite on black leather. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. The reason why they call it that is because they placed the engine as far behind the front axle as possible, so it has near perfect 50-50 weight distribution for excellent handling. It's a luxury vehicle, but it's also a performance vehicle. It features a powerful 328 horsepower V6. In fact, the Q50 shares its platform with the Q60 Coupe and the Nissan 370Z sports car. And with that sporty DNA baked into it, that helps it make it a really fun car to drive. This Q50 is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the purchase from us, be it a new car or a used car. And there's no gimmicks. There are no restocking fees. That 100% money back guarantee is truly that. For more details about our return policy, give us a call. At the heart of the Q50 is the award-winning VQ37 engine. As I mentioned before, it makes 328 horsepower, low maintenance, 105,000 mile first major tune-up thanks to platinum tip spark plugs. Has a very easy to change serpentine belt. That's really the only belt that it has. The drive belts are timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are zero maintenance and they're designed to last the service life of the engine about 300,000 miles. And it's hard to believe, but these cars do last. You know, we have a G37 that has the same engine as this that we recently took in on trade with close to 200,000 miles, still running strong. Very well engineered vehicles, built and assembled in Japan. Very fun to drive. And with that Japanese build quality and durability, it's a product that you can count on. That will be a great vehicle for you for many years to come. Come in, take it for a spin. I think you'll be very impressed, and please contact us with any questions. And thanks for taking the time today to watch this video.